ito. Okay guys, but now we're eating. First, then we're going somewhere again. There's a lot of people that are going to eat here, and I ordered the chicken cheesy noodle spicy.
My order is Tapsilo.
Tapsilo?
While we're waiting.
Yo?
Because we need our food to slow. Then a lot of students coming here.
Guys, there's a lot of students coming here from St. Vincent Cabuyao. No, over there. St. Vincent.
Dito po kami sa...
Now, guys. Ah, you can see the outside. Out here. Guys, there is a bullet to the drivers and student jeepneys. So the engine not turned on. No, Scarlet! Front ground. That's your ground.
Aray ko!
Stop.
Ganyan na lang. Oo, sige nga. Sumilip kasi si Scarlett. Okay.
Ayun, dude.
Pati pa naman sa vlog nag-aaway kayo.
Sige na.
Eh, si Scarlet.
Oh, yun na.
She started it. Okay, guys, it turned out really hot here.
When you talk, you should keep your face always in the camera.
Okay, so guys, I ordered a mountain roll with the chicken noodle spicy. Smart, no! You're my hero, Smart. Okay, guys, let's just wait for
Nandito. Ay, oras pa ba tayo? Hindi na tayo.
No, Scarlet, don't touch my towel.
Enough na po.
You got to be upright and...
We're waiting our order. Ay, ano ba yan, GS? We're waiting our order. Tell them you're so hungry.
Wow, can you just get up?
No. We need to... Kaya isang oras ka na.
We're 5 minutes.
Yeah. We need 30 minutes.
No, 20 minutes.
Okay. You should have
So guys, we are already taking long.
Ganda ng daliri ang glowing. Sarap pa ng mga lagyan ng sinisig. Kandila ay kandilain. Parang kamay ni Hershey. Kamay ni GM, para sa akin, okay lang, lalaki naman eh. Kamay ni Biwa, nakala mo kamay ng babae. okay. Sweet food.
Sky, it's fun to watch another people you know. It's good. And if you make video,
Yeah, don't get mad in front of the video.
subscribe it. If you like do that, then put up the video, then your mom posted you get bad. These are cool.
Hi, big boy. Are you hungry na ba? Dami kumakain dito, guys. Big boy. Big boy. Dali na si hi. Hi. Gutom Jones na yung layas na yan. Ang dami, oh. Big boy. Wait lang, love. Then,
23 minutes na.
spicy or not? No? Takaw talaga ni JM sa spicy.
Mix mo, JM.
Mix it, big boy. Thank you, Lord. Narangan ko talaga yung camera. Libre pala yun.
Ha?
Libre pala yung juice.
Why, what?
Maganda pala dito na po.
Mas, bigyan mo na nga si Chloe ng juice. Bigyan mo na.
Water na lang.
I wanted to lose also.
Pwede kayo din na rin si ano, Mas JM. Giteo.
Guys, it's with festival.
With vegetables. Sarap.
The festivals, I rate 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
That then the soup, out of 10. Yeah, the chicken 10 out of 10.
Chloe, ano food mo? Laki ng chicken.
You got this one.
Laki ng chicken ni Chloe.
Is that yours, Chloe? That's
Tita
her?
Barbie. nandito pala tayo sa ganitong amount, no? Pwede po paano ng ano, sa Mountain Dew po?
But it's good, right? But how do you rate the food? How do you rate it?
9 out of 10. Thank you po. Pero yung bibi. Mahal pala ng Mountain Dew dito. 25. 25? Sarap ng noodles mo.
Let me change. Let me change.
Na gusto niya mag-change kami ng pagkain.
Please. Really good, right?
Ayun na hindi order niya guys. Damak-mak naman pala to. Busog-busog niya naman. Ito ba yung soup? Diba? You order guys. Ano sa pangalan ng noodles na to? Chicken cheesy spicy noodles. Ha? Ito po GM ha?
Ate, corn.
Malagi na kaya. Kabaw na lang to. Ayoko na. May GM ako.
Baka tawa yung gawa ng kids.
Oo. Hi guys! So dito kami sa Banga. Ang Diyos ko, after namin kumain, init. Ayan, si JC Pamvlog at ang aking big boy.
Give me.
No, dear. Big boy, wag mo iwan. Mawala na naman yan ha. Kalamba nga. Tapos ayan si JM guys na initan ng papaya. Takot yan mangitim. Takot mangitim. Ako dito lang. Ako malilim kasi dito guys. Oh. Hindi ko lang alam kung pwedeng ano, kung under ano pa yan, construction keme. Ayan, dito kami sa church. Hindi pwedeng pumasok. Hindi pwedeng pumasok. pwede pumasok, big boy. May chair dyan. Ang Tagalog na Tagalog ang baby ko eh. Big boy, yan yung historical church. Pinakalumang, I guess pinakalumang simbahan siya dito sa Calamba, guys. St. John Parish Church. Oh, big boy, tabi nga kayo ni Chloe. Move, Chloe, move to GM din. Share kayo sa umbrella. Dali. Baby? Sit down. Ay. Yay. Takot sila mangitim. Ang cute nila, Petra. Ang cute. Okay, we're done. Stand up na kayo. Si Mami. Tumayo na. Aray ko. Tingnan nga natin doon. Under construction pa eh. JM, akin na yung umbrella, JM. Pag nasira mo yan, yari ka sa akin, ha? Ay, dali, check natin kung may Christmas tree nang ginawa dito. Ay, ayan pa yung tree, big boy, oh.
Where? There?
Ay, ikakasal? Ay, makikinood tayo? Tara.
Let's watch it, Ma.
Alin? Yung wedding?
Yeah? Yeah, come on.
Wait lang, wait lang. Hoy, wait lang. May makikinood din kayo dyan ikakasal. Di ba pagbukas ng ay, pagkamalan tayong dyan, Petra. Wait lang, big boy. Wait lang. Wait lang. JM dito. Si JM nakita nagkakasal. O ano? Ba't takip-takip? What? Can you get married, big boy?
Huh?
You want to get married here? Dito, big boy, oh. Dali, JM. Kinilig. Kinilig ka. Dali. Akin na yung umbrella, JM. Na-open na. Open na yung door. May vlog na ako dito dati, guys. 3 minutes lang. Ganda, guys. Siyempre pag-gala namin dito, may kinasal. Kinilig si JM. Big boy, dito ka nga, big boy. Saglit. Guys, tuwang-tuwa talaga. Sobrang na-amaze si GM. Nakitang may ikinasal. Ang gusto na niyang magpakasal ang ate niya. Ay, Charis. Shh. dead people.
I'm just reading it.
Yun o, Kuya Vito's grandpa.
Where?
Di pa here.
Where is it?
I don't know where is it.
Where?
Ano guys, ano yan siya guys, libingan.
It's one?
I will check. Mga anak cremate.
Yun nasa ano yan eh.
Hindi ko lang alam hindi saan si Uncle Packing.
Ay, dito pa talaga ano splatter, yung akala ko sa pare lang itong ano.
Hindi dito yung Papa Packing ni Vito. Laki na simbahan guys, ang makasaysayang simbahan. GM to. Big boy! Nagbabasa ng yung mga nakalibing.